got carpet. Look at that. Lucy. William found himself a bed. So cute. Look, Lucy. Wow, Lucy Eliza, that says your name. Football. You can't sleep for looking at all the toys.
Oh, look.
Wow.
I like your name. That's your name, William.
Look, William, that's your name.
So great.
Is this your room? Is this your room?
Me and William are sharing this one.
You are. Isn't it great?
Watch your head.
Watch your head. Watch your noggin.
The noggin. See the noggin. This is the noggin.
Noggin,
That's
knocker.
the noggin knocker right there. Because it's not going out up, so we can jump.
This is where all my stuff used to sit, right here.
I always sit this, but down way up high.
Look how cool.